Here's how to assemble your new Organic Garden Co. rectangular extra high raised garden bed. In your package you'll have 4 long sheets, GBS 40195, 4 shorter sheets, GBS 40095, 4 posts, GBP 9070, 4 caps, GB cap 90, 1 bracing rod, fast 056, 4 hex nuts, fast 055, 1 drill bit, part number drill 2. Overlap both long sheets neatly together as shown. Ensure the top sheet sits over the bottom sheet and overlaps by 1 corrugation. Line up the grooves in the posts with the lugs of the sheet and slide it on. Repeat this process for the other end. Stand up the 2 long sheets, pick up the first short sheet and slide it down, leaving enough room at the top to overlap the second sheet by 1 corrugation. Hold them together as you slide them down into the posts. Repeat this process for the other end. Now time to clip your post caps on. They'll easily snap onto the top end of your posts. Take the supplied drill bit and drill a hole through the 2 overlapping long sheets of the garden bed. Repeat this again on the other side. Time to grab that threaded rod. Screw a hex nut onto either end as shown. From inside, feed either end of the rod through the drilled holes on both sides. Now clamp the sheets together by tightening the nuts either side of the walls of the garden bed. That's it. Good luck in the garden, green thumbs.